Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Riverside ramie clothes in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new event that called Vernal Prayers, and then in here you can get or buy the new outfit for special for this event. And to get these clothes or outfit, just tap on the clothes icon, this one, and then just go to the Vernal Prayers, this one, and then just tap on go purchase. And then at the Riverside ramie, you can just choose the outfit that you like. There are a misty Riverside, yellow misty, blue misty, lilac Riverside, and many more. Just choose the one that you like. And in here you can just buy this outfit with the moonlight crystal. So make sure you have enough moonlight crystal to buy this outfit. And if you don't know how to get the moonlight crystal, you can just check the tutorial link in the description to watch the tutorial to get this moonlight crystal in easy way. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.